Recording in progress.
Yay! Am I on? Can you hear me okay? Everybody can hear? Okay, great. Wow, I'm so glad to be here. I'm so glad you're all here. Thank you. I'm so grateful to the community and this wonderful teaching we just received and ah, welcome to Sounds of Awakening. The hush of heaven holds my heart today. The hush of heaven holds my heart today. Today. Oh, how still, how quietly do all things fall into place. This is the day I understand I am free. I am free. There is no need for me to do anything. Peace is here. My heart and mind at rest. Your love is heaven, and your love is mine. In the stillness, there is hope. It lights the way as I travel far to my certain goal of oneness with love. Oneness with love. There is no doubt what my heart has promised me. Promised me. The hush of heaven holds my heart today. The hush of heaven holds my heart today. Hi, everybody. I feel really held. I feel really held by you all. Thank you so much for joining us. We have such wonderful guests. I want them to say hi. Reverend Jackie Gregg, say hi, Jackie.
Hello.
I'm so glad to see you again.
Same here. Glad to be here.
Yay. Oh, we have a lot to talk about and share in a little bit here. And I want to introduce everyone to my friend Nirmal Chandraratna. Hi, Nirmal.
Hi, Reverend Yolanda. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Oh, we're so glad to have you. We're really, really thrilled. It's going to be a lovely, lovely sharing together tonight. So, I just wanted to share some things, some songs, another song with you before Jackie comes on. And this song is my interpretation of the Rumi poem, "The Guest House." Do y'all know the Rumi poem, "The Guest House"? Okay, normal, you know that. Um, it just makes me laugh every time. Every time I read that poem, and I just thought, oh, maybe we could use a little chair dancing, because this is lively. So here we go, and you can sing it with me. Here we go. Shanti, hey Shanti, hey Shanti, Om Shanti, hey Shanti, hey Shanti, Om. I had a dream that being human was like running a motel. My next guest could be Sister Joy from heaven, or it could be the traveler from hell. I have given everything I see all the meaning that it has for me. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Oh, sing it with me. Shanti, hey Shanti, hey Shanti. Oh, Shanti, hey Shanti, hey Shanti. Oh, well, maybe it's a tour group of sorrow, but I'll be grateful for all who come, 'cause every single one of these travelers are sent as teachers from the beyond. I have given everything I see all the meaning that it has for me. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Oh, Shanti, hey Shanti, hey Shanti. Oh, Shanti, hey Shanti, hey Shanti. Oh, everybody sing Shanti, hey Shanti, hey Shanti. One more time now. Shanti, hey Shanti, hey Shanti. Oh, goodness gracious. Thanks, everyone. Well, it's always such a joy to be here on Sundays and anytime really in the sanctuary and meet new friends and hear amazing things. My intuition. I was so invested in my intuition, Regina. That was wonderful. I really enjoyed that message. So I can't wait to hear. Jackie is our first guest, and I can't wait to hear from Reverend Jackie what you've been up to. I hear that you are now a retreat facilitator. Is that true?
Word on the street, huh?
Wow.
This is true. We had just an amazing week last week of going through the certification process, and just still it's just resonating even now as I sit here and share this. But yeah, so I'm so looking forward to what is to come and taking more retreats. But you asked, you said, what's up with me. I will tell you this. As a result of going through that certification process, I felt like just a reconnection to my spiritual aspiration.
Mm.
And just, with Regina did tell me at one point, live your spiritual aspiration.
Mm.
And I really had that and have that first and foremost, like just living it. And all day, every day, as I am reminded, just live that aspiration, And so that's what I've been up to.
Yay!
That's enough, right?
That's enough. That is really certainly enough. Wow. Oh, wonderful. So, what are you going to share with us tonight, song wise? I can't wait to hear. Yeah.
So guys, is it me that's freezing or is Reverend Yolanda's freezing?
Oh, am I freezing? Oh.
Uh-oh.
Am I?
Was I freezing? I was freezing.
Oh, okay.
On it. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. I think we're okay for now.
Yeah. I was hearing you okay.
Okay. I know it started freezing on my end, so.
Okay.
All right.
Sinuses, it all sounds good now.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I'm down in the basement, so hey, what do you want? So do you want me to just kind of kick off with some songs, Reverend Yolanda?
Please do.
And can I just ask you, how many do you want me to do? And that way I'll kind of know the flow.
Sure, let's do 3. How about you do 3, and we'll have Nirmal do 3, and then after Nirmal, I'll come back and close with another song.
Okay.
So.
All right, sounds good. Then I'll just go ahead and get started. Let me see. Because I had 3 in mind, and now I'm going to kind of shift it a little bit.
Cool.
That's okay.
Of course.
Just give me a second here.
No problem at all. I'm loving your candle. We've I've been thinking today about, because it's getting dark so much earlier, and I'm thinking about the season of, celebrating the light coming out of the darkness, the light returning. So I love always singing candle, but I think we're in a special season now. A lot of traditions do celebrations that center on the return of the light, So I'm loving that.
Beautiful.
Knowing that the light is within always,
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, the first song I'm going to do is, because I'm shifting around just a little bit, but the first song I'm going to do, it really, it's a Karen Drucker song. And I will tee it up like this to say, I know I was supposed to do this song, and it's really beautiful how things come together, because it really fit with what Regina taught today in the weekly gathering.
Oh, yes.
And at first I thought, I had it in my head that the song was called Sit in It. And actually, when I went back to look, it's like, no, it's sit with it. Because there's a big difference between sitting in something and sitting with something, right? Because you can sit in some stuff. So, this song just fits so perfectly with the teaching today, because there was one tool that Regina gave us, to deal with the ego backlash. And one of them, of the 8 tools, one of them was to be patient and to rest, accept, and trust. And that's what this song is about. So here goes.
Sit, sit, sit with it. Sit, sit with it.
If I got a problem,
sit with it.
Not sure where I'm going,
Sit with it.
Trust and know the answer will flow if I sit with it. Ooh. I don't run around in circles, getting myself so stressed. Things seem to work out better when I focus on how I'm blessed. Making a decision, trying to choose the right way. Just trust and know the answer will flow if I sit with it. I don't have to force the issues when I relax and quiet my mind. It all seems to come together in its own sweet time. I don't have to struggle. It will all be revealed. I'm gonna trust and know the answer will flow if I sit with it. Hey, body, bada, body, bada. Oh, sit with it. I'm gonna lounge on a lazy boy reclining chair, on a rocker or a sofa, cause I don't have a care, on a bar stool or a hammock, or just sit anywhere. I'm gonna sit, I'm gonna sit, I'm gonna sit. Oh, I don't have a struggle. It will all be revealed. Hey, I'm gonna trust and know the answer will flow if I sit with it. I'm gonna trust and know the answer will flow if I sit with it. I'm gonna rest, accept, and trust and sit with it. Just wrap that thing on out of here. I'm gonna sit. I'm gonna sit with it. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Ooh, all right.
Reverend Jackie, that was so awesome. Can I ask you a little bit about that arrangement? Did you come up with that, or?
No. This was written by Karen Drucker and Claudia Carawan.
Ah, I love that.
Yeah, it's a Karen Drucker song. Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Wow.
Yes. So and just keeping on here, and I will tell you, this song reminded me a lot of the work we did with in the Untethered Soul and Michael Singer's book about, when things come up, right? The stuff that we suppress, we push down with pain is coming back up with pain. And, sometimes you're just gonna have to sit with it, but you'll be fine, right? We all know that. So there's another song I'm gonna do. As I continue to work on some original music, some of it I'm still in the studio on. So these will be some songs by other people tonight. But this next song was written by Claudia Coran, and it's called Childlike Heart. And it just invites us all to remember when we were kids. I mean, some of us may have to stop and think about that for a moment. But remember, we had a childlike heart about everything. Things just didn't matter. The only thing that was important when you were a little kid was just playing and being. And I just invite everybody with this song to have a childlike heart. Love is lovely, and joy is more complete when you live life with a childlike heart. Work is playtime, and everyone's a friend Wonder is everywhere with a childlike heart. Whoa, anything is possible with this state of mind. Dreams come true, they really do. And life is oh so kind. Heaven happens when we learn to trust and live life with a childlike, with a childlike, with a childlike heart, with a childlike heart, with a childlike heart. Ooh. So, this last song that I'm gonna do, we all know the peace song, right? Wave your hand if you know the peace song. You know, let there be peace on earth and let it begin with me. I don't know. I think I learned that in 7th grade or something like that. But, you know, many unity churches and other conscious living churches, you know, sing this song at the end of their service. And I'm going to do Eddie Watkins' Jr. version of this song. So I know that it is 8:25 my time and it's Sunday evening, but it is never a time when we can't just go to the islands right now and just have a good time. So that's what this song is. And I invite you to do a little call and response with me. Yes? Wave your hand if you say yes. I love it. I love it. All right. Okay. Let me just get set up and we'll go. Again, the name is Peace on Earth. You ready? All right. This is my crowd here. You know, peace just is. We can just let it be. Let peace be and be it. That's what we're gonna do. Let there be peace. Let there be peace on earth. Peace on earth. Let there be peace on earth. And let it begin with me. Let there be peace on earth. Peace on earth. Let there be peace on earth. The peace that was meant to be with God as our Father. Family, all are we. Let us walk with our families in perfect harmonies. Let there be peace on earth. Sing it. Peace on earth. 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 And let it begin with me. Let there be peace on earth. Peace on earth, yeah. Let there be peace on earth. the peace that was meant to be. With God as our Father, family all are we. Let's support the family in perfect harmony. Let's come to me. This is a song about. Let there be peace on earth, and let it begin with me. Let there be peace on earth, 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 and let it begin with me. Let there be peace on earth, peace on earth. Let there be peace on earth, the peace that was meant to be. Let there be peace. Oh, come on. Yeah, let there be peace. I need your help here. Can y'all do that part with me? Come on. Sing. One more part, right here. Say la 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 la. Yes, la 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 la. Yeah. La 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 la. Oh, I see you. La 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 la. One more time. Let there be peace on earth, peace on earth, peace on earth, yeah. Let there be peace on earth, and let it begin with me. Let there be peace on earth, peace on earth. Let there be peace on earth, the peace that was meant to be. Yeah. Thank you guys. You all are awesome.
Oh, that was so much fun. I was harmonizing with you. It was just lovely.
You should have came off mic so I could hear it. Like that would have been awesome.
Well, I'm trying to figure out if there is a way that we could, that we can do that, because there's this delay in Zoom.
Yeah.
But gosh, what fun. You were jamming and I was singing, and it was just, I was having a great time.
Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh, thanks for sharing. Wow. Wow, that was lovely. So I with great joy, am going to introduce you to my dear friend, Nirmal. We've played together in many situations, and Nirmal and I and a group of other people, Freddie, who you met last time, used to play in the clubs with my event called Church with a 2-Drink Minimum. And Nirmal is an amazing singer and songwriter and kirtan facilitator, and can play all kinds of instruments. So I'm not sure what Nirmal is going to share with us tonight, but I know it's going to be amazing. So let's spotlight Nirmal and take it away, my dear friend.
Thank you. It's funny. First of all, I have to apologize. You might hear a little echo, and that's just the setup. It makes the music sound good, but I sound like I'm coming from on high or something. So apologies for that. I just want to thank Reverend Jackie so much. That was so beautiful and wonderful. And it was funny because that end part was like a kirtan, right? The call and response. That was really lovely to have. When Reverend Yolanda told me about this event, and she used the word non-dual, right? And I'm just big fan of all things non-dual, and and it's one of these things that I struggle with. It's just this thing that's so hard to understand. And so tonight I'm just going to come from the South Asian traditions of mantra, right? So working in Sanskrit, and I'm going to just go through a little sequence. Like I'm just going to begin. There's going to be sort of 3 different moods. Beginning with a mantra, the Purna mantra, which is basically when you hear the word Purna in the mantra, it means whole, right? And the basic translation is this is whole, that is whole. You add the whole to the whole, you subtract the whole from the whole, but the whole always remains. You know, and it's just this really lovely kind of sentiment. And one of the things in Eastern thought that helps to represent, you know, sort of non-duality is the transcendence of opposites. And so there's a lot of play with gender, you know, so there's, you know, a lot of honoring to the divine masculine, the divine feminine, and often when you see them in sexual union with each other in statues and whatnot, that's supposed to represent, you know, one of the many symbols of the transcendence, you know, of opposites. I just heard a beautiful sort of simple definition from this a writer on Tantra. His name is Harish Wallace, and he explained non-duality as the whole minus the divisions. And, you know, so that's sort of the sentiment of the music tonight. So we begin with the Purna mantra. I'll do a little sort of a sequence on Shiva, the Shiva mantra, which is to the divine masculine, and then finally honoring the divine feminine. And you'll probably see the sequence. I'm going to be working with a loop pedal, which you can't see. It's like this thing. It helps you to sort of create a little orchestra, like layer over each other. So that's where these other voices are coming from, if you get confused. Namah Shivaya. Om 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 Triyambekam Yajna Shivaya. Soganim Pushtivadam Shivaya. Om Narakam Eva Bandha Shivaya. Mrityunutchiyama Shivaya. Om Triyambekam Yajna Shivaya. Soganim Pushtivadam Shivaya. Om Narakam Eva Bandha Shivaya. Mrityunutchiyama Shivaya. Om Triyambekam Yajna Shivaya. Soganim Pushtivadam Shivaya. Om Narakam Eva Bandha Shivaya. Mrityunutchiyama Shivaya. Om Triyambekam Yajna Shivaya. Soganim Pushtivadam Shivaya. Om Narakam Eva Bandha Shivaya. Mrityunutchiyama Shivaya. Om Triyambekam Yajna Shivaya. Soganim Pushtivadam Shivaya. Om Narakam Eva Bandha Shivaya. Mrityunutchiyama Shivaya. Om Triyambekam Yajna Shivaya. Soganim Pushtivadam Shivaya. Om Narakam Eva Bandha Shivaya. Mrityunutchiyama Shivaya. Om Triyambekam Yajna Shivaya. Soganim Pushtivadam Shivaya. Om Narakam Eva Bandha Shivaya. Mrityunutchiyama Shivaya. Om Triyambekam Yajna Shivaya. Soganim Pushtivadam Shivaya. Om Narakam Eva Bandha Shivaya. Mrityunutchiyama Shivaya. Om Triyambekam Yajna Shivaya. Soganim Pushtivadam Shivaya. Om Narakam Eva Bandha Shivaya. Mrityunutchiyama Shivaya. Om Triyambekam Yajna Shivaya. Soganim Pushtivadam Shivaya. Om Namah 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 Shivaya. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shaktirupena Samstita Namastasya Namaste. Namo Namaha. Namo Namaha. Hey Ma. Jagatambe. Hey Ma. Jagatambe. Hey Ma. Jagatambe. Hey Ma. Jagatambe. Ya Devi Jagatameshu Shratarupena Jagatambika. Namastasya, Namastasya, Namastasya. Namo Namaha. Namo Namaha. Jagatambe. Namastasya, Namastasya, Namastasya. Namo Namaha. Namo Namaha. Namo Namaha. Thank you.
Oh, Nirmal, thank you. What?
Thanks.
Thank you so much. What a blessing. What a beautiful blessing.
Mm.
We
I
were.
actually wanted to. I'm sorry. Go please.
No, no. Go ahead. Go ahead. What were you? Go ahead.
No, I just wanted to offer just a little explanation for the last
Yes.
piece that I did to Divine Feminine was to this wonderful, one of my, this sort of my kind of devoted, deity, Durga, this first fierce feminine, she has like 8 arms, and the brief story is that there was this demon that was sort of, stomping all over the earth, and all the gods just couldn't defeat him. And so they got in a circle and meditated. And in the middle of the circle, a pillar of light kind of burst forth, and there was born Durga. And it's just really, just love that image. And so this prayer is just praising her. I just imagine, all these gods kind of fanning her, and like massaging her feet while she's kind of basking in the aftermath of her victory. So.
Oh, that's beautiful. What a great image. Oh, what a joy. That's just really wonderful. Tell people how to find you and your music.
Oh, nirmalc.com. It's just my name with my last, c.com, the website. I could put it in the chat.
Okay, yeah, please do that. Yeah, yep. And I want to thank you so much for joining us tonight. It's such a blessing. And I want to go back to Jackie. Jackie, you're still here, right? And we'll get you.
I'm still here.
Oh, good. Yay. I can't see everybody where I'm viewing. But thank you so much for sharing
Absolutely.
tonight.
Thank you.
It was just wonderful. And let's see, I think I did find you on Reverb Nation. Is that where, okay. So it's reverbnation.com/Jackie Greggs, right?
You got it. You got it.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. I really appreciate your sharing tonight. Wow. Well, let's give everybody a big twinkle hands, however we do these things these days. Yeah. Wow. What a glorious evening. I'm going to share one more song with you and then hand it back over to Sina. Oh, and if you wanna find me and my music, you can go to yolanda.net/audio. I just feel so awash in the love from this group of people tonight. And that's what I want to leave us, the note I want to leave us with is the glorious love divine. With tongues of men and angels, and though I prophesy and understand the world, and though I have all faith to say to mountains you must go away, but have not love, and though I feed the poor of my life, if love has no place in me, then what am I? If I do not have charity, if love does not flow from me, then what is life? Love divine. Divine, wise. Love can never come from a jealous mind. It's never proud but gentle, meek. Resistance is not what it seeks. It sets the mind at peace. And love's the one that sings when the truth prevails. Love believes in good when it looks like hell. And love's the one that bears the wrong. Love's the one that's always strong and never fails. And when I was a child, I acted as a child. But now I can heal myself from those times. The looking glass no longer dark. I see the light that's shining there within my heart. Love divine, love divine, love divine. Oh, thank you, dear friends. I really enjoyed our time together tonight. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you, Jackie. Thank you, Nirmal. Mwah. Thank you, Sina and Regina and all of you for coming. Yay! Okay, Sina, take it back.